Good day, YouTubers. So Harry and Meghan are winding up Sussex Royal. They're not going to use that anymore. And they changed it to MWX Foundation. But they went ahead and announced Archewell, that they're going to be launching Archewell. So everybody's confused. Why would they change Sussex Royal to MWX as an intermediary to Archewell? What is that about? So let's briefly read this. The Markle-Windsor Foundation, MWX, the Markle-Windsor Foundation. So Meghan Markle's name is first. Harry and Meghan may have let slip the name of a new venture by changing the title of Sussex Royal to MWX while wrapping up the charity. So is MWX a completely separate charity in addition to Archewell? The Duke and Duchess have changed Sussex cause to MWX. The couple had agreed to stop using Royal in their future brands after the duties split, but new winding up paperwork shows that they've changed the cause's name. It sparked speculation the new identity, MWX, could be a new venture. And there's an oddity there. Documents show a $200,000 sum accounts receivable, which is another word for owed. So somebody made a pledge of $200,000, or they're expecting $200,000. And if you make a pledge, it can become a receivable, but that's highly unusual. And if it's a large enough amount that you pledge, the charity could actually sue you to get this money. So the whole thing is just odd. You know, why did they create MWX? Is it in addition to Archewell? Is it replacing Archewell? What is it? Why would they do that? Good day, YouTubers. Welcome back to my channel. Time for a spot of royalty. So Harry and Meghan have created this new organization, MWX. I mean, what is going on with that? And you know, they're not talking about it. It's like this super secret organization. They're still talking about Archewell. I wonder if Archewell is viable because, you know, they had people, they announced it too quick. They had people hijack the domains, and it was just a slip of the tongue by Meghan. Meghan is a big, she's a big networker, and she's always talking things up and getting ideas and putting it all together and creating coalitions, and that's a great way to do things, okay? And that's how she has achieved her success, by triangulating and networking. But she announced it too early, and man, that created a lot of problem for them. So I don't know what's going on with this. Let's see if we can. Let's see what the cards want to tell us. Why did they change Sussex Royal to MWX, which is Markle-Windsor Foundation? You notice how Meghan is first. They didn't have to do that at all. If they're just going to create Archewell, go straight to Archewell, then there's no need for an intermediary organization. Just absolutely no need. So it doesn't make sense, and that's why people are questioning it. So, oh, there's a 10 spades. Why did they change it to MWX? Look at those 10s. 10s and 6s, another 6. We can figure out what's going on here. Why did they change Sussex Royal to MWX? Why not just go straight to Archewell? Olive Tree, Earthquake, Man, 23, 29. 8 hearts, water into wine. So we have 3 6s showing up. We have a couple of 10s. So there was a disaster in the foundation. So what they were planning, Sussex Royal, was just completely ended, and that can be because of Harry, or it can be direct action. Took direct action to destroy and transform Sussex Royal. So the basis of this reading, it's all about Sussex Royal. Whatever is going on, this creation of MWX, it's about Sussex Royal. Behind Incubus Succubus, bad relationship and selfishness, putting a face on it. So the destruction of Sussex Royal, putting a face, lipstick on a pig. What do we have here? Cup overflowing, hand in hand, cross. Cross and 10 diamonds are the most permanent cards. So creating a permanent situation. The play ended. Okay, what they were doing, the Sussex Royal, it just didn't work. What they were doing, this play turned out, it just died. So when that happens, most businesses, I think, they don't succeed, they fail, and then you try again and again and again, and eventually you get a business that succeeds. So very emotional emotional appeal to all the people for the permanent foundation. 1323, 34, 38. 38, 10 diamonds. 10 diamonds and 7 clubs. So very permanent. So they're on their way. The future is creating a very permanent foundation. It's 10 hearts. It's all about charity and goodwill and those sort of things. So it appeals to the heart. You want to, help people from the heart. So this is all about the destruction of Sussex Royal. And they're trying, I don't understand why they're having an intermediary foundation. Let's see if MWX becomes Archewell. Okay, or they can make both. They can keep MWX and Archewell for separate purposes. So let's look at MWX and Archewell. Does MWX become Archewell? Is it going to be dissolved into Archewell? MWX. Does MWX become Archewell? Archewell. Archewell is looking very positive. Does MWX become Archewell? So here's MWX. Butterfly can be very temporary. Official woman. 9 and 12, 21, 6 hearts. Karmic relationship. This looks like Meghan's foundation. This looks like Meghan's foundation. Markle Windsor foundation. Yeah. This is to officially transform for the woman. What's over here with Archewell? Everything working together. Ruler, this is the main foundation, manifesting through the new royal foundation. 26, 29, 8 hearts transformation. So Archewell is the main foundation. This looks like MWX is for Meghan. Okay, there's a lot of talk about separation and divorce, which we've not seen anything official on that. I think that's coming, and I think maybe Meghan is creating this so that if something like that happens, she will transfer the money to MWX, maybe. I don't know, but it looks like Archewell is the main foundation. Ruler and Magi are very solid cards. Trinity, everything working together. These are very solid cards. So the intention is Sussex Royal to Archewell, okay, as they've been telling us and as they're still announcing. Reacting to outside events. So I think the destruction of Sussex Royal is because it was ordered by the Queen. Okay, you can't use the word royal, and that's the finger of God, outside intervention. Yes, water into wine, home, transforming the close relate, the key events related to people closely associated, 12 and 9, 21. So 6 hearts keeps coming up. So they have to change it. They have to change it. So it looks like MWX is for Meghan. Okay, that could be we have incubus succubus back here. That's pure selfishness. That's very selfish. Putting a face on it, very selfish. I think it's for Meghan. Let's look more closely at this. Does this foundation, is this foundation really just, is MWX being created just for Meghan? It's really for Meghan to take with her. Because Meghan is always feathering her own nest. She's always watching out for herself, at the expense of everybody else and at the expense of Harry. And I think all this woke speaking is really hurting Harry. And it's not hurting Meghan. All the woke speaking helps Meghan. All the woke speaking by Meghan, well, that's Meghan. And nobody's going to fault her for it. But they're going to fault Harry for all of this. And they are faulting him now, and they're going to fault him later, because all of that appears to be an attack on the royals and the royal family and the royal way of life and what the royal family stands for and the traditions of Britain and Western society. So does this foundation go to Meghan? Is this all just for Meghan, the MWX? 3 aces. Here's the 4th ace. So all the aces are showing up. Okay, so aces are brand new. So successful start. Diamonds are manifesting into reality, planting something to manifest it into reality suddenly. 3. 3 is ace of clubs. So all 4 aces show up right on the surface. It's just planting something new, and it's just brand new. Here's the other ace. What do we have? Blockage, commitment and talking, and big change of heart. Big change of heart. Big change in positive intentions, blocked. So Sussex Royal, okay, they like had to do this. They were forced to do it. They were forced to dissolve Sussex Royal. It's a big disaster, and they're trying to create something new. I asked, is this just for Meghan? Blockage, commitment, actions to the commitment, blockage, big change. It's completely brand new. This is like out of the blue. Was Harry part of this creation of MWX? You know, was Harry part of this? Because her name is first. Markle Windsor Foundation. That's odd. It's odd. It looks like it's created by Meghan. Did Harry know about this? Was Harry part of the creation of MWX? Does he know about it? Or is this something that Meghan did? Was Harry part of this? Fox. Okay. Was Harry part of the creation of MWX? Left out, clever, crafty, 28, 7 spades. Secret, he was kept out of it. She just did it. She did it. So this MWX thing, she kind of just slipped it in. It's brand new. She just slipped it in. She kept him out of it. He knows about it now. Okay. So what do we have on the bottom? Mercury, cornucopia, angel, crossroad, and snake. So angel, this could be for Archie, or just appearing to be an angel. 9 diamonds and 8 diamonds. It's about the transfer of money, transferring money innocently, and there's a long-term plan. So she did this all on her own. So what do we have here? Okay, so we have the destruction of Sussex Royal. This all happened because of the destruction of Sussex Royal. But behind, it's just for Meghan. She's putting a face on it, and she's making a permanent thing. Again, she's acting emotionally, but she's making a permanent thing, and her play didn't work. Okay, she made a play, it didn't work. And I'm going to say that the play that didn't work is Sussex Royal. Okay, because you can't use the Royal, and the Queen took that away. So up here, we have MWX and Archewell. Okay, is MWX going to become Archewell? Archewell is rock solid. So Archewell is happening. But here we have this new thing, this transformation of the official business of the woman. This is just Meghan over here. So this is a separate thing that Meghan is doing. And they were forced to do this because Sussex Royal had to be destroyed. So this was a brilliant idea of Meghan that she kept a complete secret. She kept Harry out of it until it was too late. This had 7 spades. It was just a secret. This is Meghan's clever plan for Meghan only. Okay, this is just for Meghan. Archewell is still going forward. Oh, no. We're going to do Archewell, Harry. Don't worry. And she's looking very innocent, but she's working a long-term plan. She's trying to, wear the clothes of an angel, but she's transferring money. And she's trying to say she's an angel, but she has a long-term plan, and she kept Harry out of this. And this is all a completely new idea. Literally on Tuesday, she thought of this, and on Wednesday, she went ahead and created MWX. And I think Harry didn't know about it. This was all a secret. So this could be a change in their relationship. Commitment and a change in their relationship. So I tend to think their relationship is terrible. I think Harry is mostly not there. A lot of people think that Harry is in England now because it's August and that's the nice weather in England, and so it's gonna hit 75 and 80 degrees, and the British people are gonna tell you how frickin' hot it is, And it was 87 here today, and it was so cool. I barely sweated, and I was outdoors playing sports for 4 hours. And I drank, I had a little water bottle, and I drank like this much water because it was so cool. It was only 87. So it's going to get up to like 79 and 80 in England, and they're going to say, "Oh, I'm dying." So, okay. Yeah. So it looks like Meghan just created this, and it's all just for Meghan, and she's kind of did it all in secret and sprung it on Harry. Oh, clever Meghan. Interesting. So it's going to be interesting to see what is done with MWX, but I think they're going to try to keep it all a secret. They don't want us to know what they're doing with MWX. So it's kind of funny that it came out in the media, because I don't think Meghan wants anybody to know about MWX, and I don't think she wants Harry to know about MWX, and now everybody knows about it. That's how I see it. I'm Joseph Magi, author of Playing Card Divination, Fortune Telling, The Magi Method. You can find the book worldwide on Amazon and Kindle and paperback versions. Find the full color card deck used here on Etsy/Magi Method. Many thanks to the generous folks who bought me a cup of tea. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe, and comment.